Janelle and Cody Brown's beloved son Garrison sadly took his own life, leaving behind a family of furry friends, one of whom he had rescued just days before. Aside from his loving family, Garrison Brown left behind 3 rescue cats following his devastating death earlier this week. The Sister Wives star and son of Janelle and Cody Brown, Garrison, showed off a new addition to his family, an elderly rescue cat, via social media on Friday, just 5 days before his tragic suicide at the age of 25 in his Flagstaff, Arizona home. Garrison had an Instagram account under the handle @RobertTheBrown, where he often featured his beloved pets in posts with his 74,000+ followers. His most recent post came on Friday when he shared the exciting news that he had adopted a feline friend, which would be his 3rd overall. "Newest addition to my home, Ms. Buttons," Garrison announced, adding, "She's 9 years old and was on the line for euthanasia, but my savior complex couldn't suffice. #CrazyCatLady." The late 25-year-old cuddled up to Ms. Buttons as they posed for a sweet selfie, in which Garrison looked extremely happy. And wore a khaki green t-shirt to drop his exciting news and beamed a bright smile. As for his social media, the TLC star was a proud pet owner and animal lover, as he had frequently showcased his cats in recent years on his social media. On January 16, 2022, he introduced his feline Cathu with a series of pics and clips. "I have a son," he gushed, explaining, "I am thinking of naming him Cathu, but I am taking considerations for names, so leave some suggestions below." Later that year, he added another cat to the family, introducing Patches O'Houlihan, in a series of shots that also included his mom Janelle holding the cat. "Meet Patches O'Houlihan. I stole her from a cave and she won't stop whispering ancient Sumerian texts to me," he said. On Christmas Day that year, he shared a picture of him holding both of his cats as he sat in a brown leather chair with a festive tree visible in the background. TMZ reported that Garrison appeared to have suffered a self-inflicted gunshot wound when they arrived at his house after receiving reports someone had died.